Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log a call in Insightly. For example, you have called Mr. Albert Lee right here. I'm going to click on his name. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead over to Related. Okay. This one, Related tab. Just click on it. And here we have notes. Okay. You can go ahead and click on add a note right here. Now go ahead and type in the note title, the date and time, and the body in here. Okay. Visibility, select the permission, everyone can view it, or only the record owner, or you can go ahead and select an individual. Okay, for example, sample note, just a sample, set to everyone, hit on save. Okay, as you can see here, under Related, it is now under Notes with a note title and created by. What if you wanted to log a call or meeting as a completed task? Well, that's pretty easy. Just go ahead and go to the top once more, click on Activity. Now, under Activity, click on Add Activity right here under Upcoming Activities. All right, click on it, add a new task. Just go ahead and enter the task name, for example, sample call, assigned to me, category, nothing selected, but you can go ahead and add a category right here. Maybe phone call, okay? Due date, today. Start date, yesterday, maybe. Repeats, nothing selected. Progress, you can go ahead and put 100%, like so. Priority, high. And the status, make sure that it is set to completed, okay? You can go ahead and add in some description and permissions right here. If not, hit on save. As you can see here, the status right here has a green check mark. That means that it is now done or completed. And that's how easy it is to log a call in Insightly. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.